Hello everyone. So we have given 1 plus 1, 11, 2 plus 2, 22, 3 plus 3, 33, 0 plus 0 is what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you found and watch my solution in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and activate the notification bell. Here on the channel, we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in reasoning as well as basic to advanced maths. So now take a good look to this resolution. 1 plus 1, 11. Okay. 2 plus 2, 22. So what we notice that they're repeating the digits just like it. 1 plus 1, they write it 1, 1. 2 plus 2, they write it 2, 2. 3 plus 3, they write it 3, 3. So 0 plus 0, we write 0 and 0. So what replace the question mark? 0 and 0. So comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.